Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you've got front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features connected navigation. You also get DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car include blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, there's dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car really is packed full of some great tech. It's got a digital head-up display that you can customise. There's also Connect SOS and Assistance, which gives the car the ability to call emergency services if you're in an accident. But if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.